It's a new 2020 Toyota Corolla. Get an all-access pass to life in a car that doesn't just get you there, it gets you. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: smart device navigation, power heated mirrors, manual tilting steering column, configurable instrument gauges, Wi-Fi hotspot, manual telescoping steering column, continuously variable automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, and inline 4-cylinder engine. The Car Connection writes, Toyota Corolla continues to offer reliable, inexpensive transportation with a bit of flair and new, easy-to-use infotainment systems. Toyota, steered by ingenuity, driven by passion. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Visit our website at youngercars.com. We're conveniently located at 1945 Dual Highway in Hagerstown, Maryland.